Meaning of electrometer.
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 Electrometer. Electrometer is a scientific instrument used to measure electric charge or potential difference. It works based on the principle of Coulomb's law of electrostatic forces. An electrometer typically consists of a sensitive mechanism that can detect small changes in electric charge or potential difference. With its high sensitivity, an electrometer is commonly used in various scientific experiments and applications, including in the study of atomic particles, radiation, and electrochemistry. Due to its exceptional accuracy and precision, an electrometer is often considered one of the most important instruments in electrical and electronic measurements.